Hello, it's Davina. Welcome to Abstract and Flow. If it's your first time to my channel, thank you and welcome. Please excuse my voice. I have a little bit of a voice disability. So if you're new to my channel and you're not familiar with my story, my voice tends to fade out a little. And I try to be as clear and speak as clear as I possibly can, considering my condition. Guess what? It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. Almost. Last video of the year. So I'm going to do something short and hopefully creative using this. I received some Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring set. I had a Michael's coupon, so I said let's give it a try. So in this set you get 6 colors, and the colors are, so they have a titanium white, a violet, a bright blue, phthalo blue, aqua green, and an old gold. So what this ready pour means, or ready mix means, it means that you don't have to mix anything with them. I'm going to layer them in a cup and do something I haven't done in a while, and let's see how it turns out. So I'm going to get you down to the canvas and we are going to get this pour started. Here we go. Okay, so it says for the directions, let's see here, low veracity, easy flowing, glossy finished once dry, takes about 24 hours to dry, and no need to dilute with any mediums. So we shall see. It's my first time using any type of ready pour paint. So I have a 12 by 12 canvas, and typically it would take about 5 or so ounces to cover. But because I have deep sides, I am going to, let's see, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use all of the colors except for the phthalo blue, which is, oh, let's see, where's the colors? Okay, which is this one. I'm not going to use that one. So I'm going to do blue, white. This is the violet, gold, and this is the aqua green. So that's the order that I'm going to pour them in this cup. So I'm going to do about maybe 1.2 ounces of each color to make sure I have enough to cover my sides. And these are 3.99 ounces of paint. Why did it just do 4 ounces? Lord have mercy. Okay, so here's our first color. This is the bright blue. Actually, I think I'm going to start with white. A little white in the bottom. And then I'm going to do the blue. And I'm going to go off this side. I don't want it to mix. I'm supposed to be measuring. Should have did this in the first place. Took the cap off. We're going to do 4.2. Okay. And I'm going to finish off with white. Just a little. Okay. All right, so my canvas is already leveled. And I have these handy dandy I don't remember what you call them, but I got them from Amazon. And it fits right in and holds on to the canvas. And I'm going to be able to move around without touching the canvas. So let's level again. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to do a flip cup. So, move my scale out the way. And here we go. I don't want to make a mess. Ha! Look at that. Okay. I'm going to take my little push pin just to make sure we are letting the air out and the paint is flowing. Okay. Let's not do that. And here we go. Fingers crossed. Wow, look at those colors. Oh my goodness. That purple is beautiful. Let all the paint drain out. Now, I see a little bubbles, so we're going to torch just a bit. Oh, we can find a torch that works. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to use my handy dandy little handles here. And here we go with our, let's go off this edge first. Let's hope we have enough paint to cover everything. Now, I did not do come down and get this corner. Okay. Now we're going to come back around. I like that aqua blue. That aqua green, I mean. Up in the corner. Let's see if I can move back a little so you can see everything. I'm going to come to this corner. So I don't have enough paint to cover this 12 by 12 because it's not flowing the way I want it to. So I mixed up just a tad more. I'm just going to throw that on there. Okay. Now we're going to have enough to come off this edge here. Okay. I want this to come down a little further. Okay, there we go. Let's come back this way. Okay. Nice little rainbow painting. Let's see if we can come down this way a little more. I am loving these handles. Oh my goodness. I have not touched any paint. Okay. All right, so that's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it our rainbow painting. Now, let's go in and see what we got here. You can see the violet. We can see definitely the blue. A little bit of the gold. And some of the white. So of course, by not using any mediums and no Floetrol, we're not going to get any cells with a ready pour mix. So if sales are your objective, you definitely want to go with a regular acrylic paint and adding some type of medium. But I like the way this turned out. Okay, folks, that is it. My ready pour, rainbowish pour is done. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me on this New Year's Eve. Cheers to 2022. You all stay safe out there. Be blessed. See you next pour. Bye.